Query. Vaishak from Kerala has a query on TCS. He's holding 55 shares, bought at 4275 a piece, and he wants to know as to whether he can hold it for the next 1 year or not. Vaishali, I'll come to you on this one. TCS had a flattish growth in the past 2 quarters, and we've seen some signs of recovery. So fundamentally, we're seeing recovery, but not very good in place. But how does the chart look?
So chartically, there's really nothing much happening on TCS. But overall, if you talk about the IT sector, in a market like this today, it's attempting to show the bounce, and overall, the trend is quite positive. So I think these are levels fair valuation to start considering these stocks. So now that he has held on and he's bought it and he's holding on, I think just continue holding, at least exit and a bounce. Maybe you can see a return up to 4,500 or so. So for now, it's a hold.
Praveen is calling us from Karnataka. Praveen, कॉल करने के लिए बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद. क्या जानना चाहते हैं आप?
सर मैंने कोचिन शिप का लिया 2445 रेट पे 8 शेयर.
ओके. और
तो अभी उसका रेट बहुत कम चल रहा है, तो क्या करूं, होल्ड करूं या सेल्स करूं?
कब लिया था ये शेयर?
जुलाई में लिया था.
ओके. और उस टाइम पे क्या सोच रहे, किस रीजन के लिए आपने परचेज किया था? लॉन्ग टर्म फंडामेंटल्स देख के आपने बाय किया था?
जी लॉन्ग टर्म देख के किया था, क्योंकि उस टाइम मैंने 700 से नोटिस किया हुआ था. 700,000, 500, 2445 जिस हिसाब से ग्रोथ हो रहा था उस हिसाब से मैंने बाय किया था. लेकिन उसके बाद नीचे फॉल डाउन ही हुआ है.
और आप कितना होल्ड करना चाह रहे? लॉन्ग टर्म होल्ड करना चाह रहे?
1 साल तक.
1 साल तक. ओके. अविनाश, it's a tough ask, right? You're talking about a significant recovery that will have to be made in the stock price for him to get his cost back. This is a stock that I think a lot of people have bought in their portfolios, but they've seen a little bit of a disappointment if they bought at the higher levels, and a lot of people have. What is the strategy that you would employ?
No, I think first of all, Alex, I think he needs to give in some more time. I think 1 year could be a short period because most of these defense stocks have corrected significantly. I think looking at the fundamentals, Cochin Shipyard is a very large player in the defense ship market, enjoys an order book of more than 4,000 crores. And I think orders are booked at least for the next 2 years. Plus, they are also exporting some of their ships. So I think business is going to grow very rapidly. But I think if he wants to make an alpha year, I think he needs to, average a little more. I think he's got a very small quantity of just 8 shares. So I think if he can add a little more at around 1400 odd levels, that would bring down his average cost and keep it at least a 2-year time frame. Because, in these companies, 1 year could be a little shorter period. Of course, what the budget, presents for the defense sector is another, thing which could possibly spring a positive surprise if some big announcements are made. But otherwise, I think over the next 2 years, if he can patiently wait, he can definitely get a decent risk reward. I think he needs to stay invested for a long period of time.
All right. That's